Hey folks, and welcome back. I'm your host today, Kevin O'Connor, and we are going to be playing Compost or Dispose It. So our contestants are going to tell us whether or not when I show them the item, if it should go down in your disposer or if it should be composted. And our contestants come to us today from Irvine, California, Mr. Richard Trethewey, our plumber.
I'm so glad to be here, Kevin. I love your show.
Oh, wonderful. Thank you. And he'll be playing against the infamous landscaper from your backyard, Jenn Nawada.
Oh my gosh, it's so exciting to be here.
All right, well, you guys ready to play Compost or Dispose It? I'm going to hold up a card, and when you see the item, you have to tell us whether we're going to dispose it or if we're going to compost it. All right, ready for your first challenge?
I am.
All right, here we go.
We are.
Good.
Yeah.
And it is
Chicken. I definitely wouldn't do the down the grinder. It's
So-
got all that skin on it.
meat bones.
Yeah. Well, I don't like to put them in compost, so yeah. But you can citywide. They collect food waste and they compost it that way.
Skin goes in the compost, bone goes to your puppy.
Well, now that's exciting.
Not in the grinder.
You can't give dogs cooked bones.
Oh, that's right.
Anyways.
Kids, let's go on to the next one. All right. Now, we're going to ask, are you ready to find whether we're going to dispose or compost a
Yes,
banana peel?
definitely. I would go compost. Anything that's stringy, banana peels, celery, anything that's stringy, can you wrap around the blades and good.
Right, because it just tangles up like hair.
Yeah.
Okay.
You
Not just fun, educational as well. Well done, Jen. Thank you, Richard. Ready for our next question as to whether we're going to compost or dispose?
Ready?
Coffee grounds.
Coffee grounds are not good, not necessarily in the disposer, but in the drain. You don't want the coffee grounds going down and then recoagulating down the pipe. So.
Will that be like a clogged artery, kind of?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay. And on to the next one. Tough one here. Pay attention. Get ready? Ice cubes.
You're certainly not going to put it in the compost, but I think it belongs in a glass for a drink. I really do.
But if you had to pick one, just a little bit, right?
That's right.
Is that an old wives' tale, sharpening blades?
Yes.
Okay, it is.
But
All right.
if you have an old wife, you're going to want that drink. So, Richard, a twofer.
Yeah. So true. That's so true.
All right, grind or compost, pistachio shells.
All day long.
All day long? Yeah.
Yep.
You're nuts.
You don't want those shells in
No,
your
no,
compost.
I don't.
In your
Too much.
blender. Yeah.
Okay, moving on, just two left.
That's right, Gene.
It's going to come down to the last two. Compost or dispose, eggshells.
I'll take them.
Yeah, you take them. They say don't do it in the grinder, but we can
But they're
still
so
handle it.
fragile,
Where
right?
should you do it?
But is it
I'd
the membrane?
put it in the compost,
Is
but-
it the membrane that
No,
gets
it's
all
just
tangled?
it's little tiny shells, but it'll wash through. So I think it's a bit of a wives' tale to not put it in the disposer.
Okay. Well, especially new disposers.
They're so
pretty much
amazing.
everything.
Yeah.
It's a
If
short
old-
game, guys. It's a short game.
I'll take them.
All right, comes down to the last question. So, should we compost or dispose lemons?
I'll take them.
You can put them in the compost.
Yes.
But save me one to grind it, to put it into the disposer, because they can freshen that chamber that can often smell.
And
That's a great.
Who doesn't want a fresh disposal?
There you go. There you
I'll
go.
share. I'll save you one lemon. All right.
All right, lemons goes in both. I think that's a fine way to
Thank
end.
you.
All right,
So
thank
wait,
you
is
both.
that-
Did we win?
Tie?
Yes, well,
Oh.
Jack, what's the official score? Jen, well done. All right, well, that's it for Compost or Dispose It. And rest assured, we'll never be doing this again. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.